Stasher is a endlessly reusable silicone Ziploc bag. It's completely plastic free. You can put it in the dishwasher and you can cook in it. So it goes in a pot of boiling water, you can sous vide, you can put it in the microwave. It's great for your dehydrated meals. You can put all your dehydrated items in there and then rehydrate it right in the bag. I also love cooking omelets in here, so I'll put like all my eggs and all my other ingredients, shake it up and stick it in a pot of boiling water, and then all just goes in the dishwasher when you're done.
So how do you tell people who are used to using Ziploc bags why they should pay more for something like this?
Well, that endlessly reusability means that you're going to get the value savings at the end of the day, and it's healthier for yourself and the planet. I mean, with one stash, you're eliminating thousands of plastic bags from going into landfill in the ocean. We are new to the outdoor market. This is our first time here at OR. We are distributed in all REI stores as of this year. And we are also in places like Target and Container Store and Amazon, as well as stasherbag.com. This is $9.99, and this size, this is our sandwich, is $11.99. We also have this new stand-up we just launched that's got extra pocket. It fits really well in an Instapot too. And this is $19.99.
When you use a Ziploc bag, it gets all the odors and everything like that, and you just want to throw it away afterwards.
Right.
How are you really going to get that washed and clean and not stinking?
Well, silicone is not permeable, so you have that element to it, but you can do a really simple just baking soda and a little water and create a little, like cream, and then leave it overnight, and in the morning it'll have all the smell gone. So pretty easy.